If you've always wanted to learn the guitar, or you've tried and stalled, and you're not quite sure what to practice, and you're fed up scrolling around on YouTube endlessly picking up small bits of information, but nothing structured, nothing taking you in a step-by-step direction towards actually being able to perform and play, then this course is designed for you. The 10-week guitar challenge gives you a very simple goal. 10 minutes a day, following a very clear path, every week working towards playing a new recognisable song. Rather than giving you hundreds of different lessons or random pieces of information, every week follows exactly the same structure. You'll meet the chords associated with that song, you get some practice, taught how to play them. The next day you'll look at an iconic moment from the song. So even at that moment, very early on, you'll start to connect with something real musically. Then the next day I'll introduce you to the chord movement and the best way of moving between chords. One of the things my pupils constantly struggle with is what's the most sensible way of changing between each chord. We've got the Chord Pathfinder that helps to outline exactly how you should change between each chord. Then the next day we'll work on rhythm patterns, simple rhythm patterns, more advanced rhythm patterns. You'll be able to choose your level that suits you and work towards the more advanced ones in the future. And on the last day you'll be pulling all that information together, all that chord change information and all that practice, and you'll be putting it together and trying to play along with the actual song. Over the 10 weeks you'll work through 10 different songs, slowly developing all of the things that are really important as a guitarist. Your chords, your chord changes, your rhythm, your timing, and most importantly of all, developing a real solid practice routine. This isn't about becoming a guitar virtuoso in 10 weeks. It's about proving that you can make guitar part of your everyday life, and to build the confidence to take that 10 minutes of daily practice forward and start making some real musical progress. So if you've been putting learning guitar off, if you tried before and stopped, or if you simply just don't know where to begin, start here. Join the 10-week challenge, give me 10 minutes a day, and let's see how much guitar you can learn in the next 10 weeks.